making Father's Day drawing. So, let's get started. I will start by drawing Father. So, I'll first draw Father's face. Now, I will draw Father's ear, hair, eyes, a big mustache, and then mouth. After Father's face, I am drawing his clothes, which includes his shirt, pants, shoes, and a tie. To complete Father's drawing, I will draw his hands. After Father, I will draw his daughter, her eyes and the mouth. Now, her hair with a little ponytail. After her face and hair, I am drawing her pretty dress. Now, I will draw her hands. In her hand, I will draw a big heart balloon. After the balloon, I will draw a #1 dad badge for the father. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. I will color the hair of both and mustache of Father with brown color. Mouth, red, and then face and hands of both with light orange color. Father's Day, remember to send all your love to your father. Now, I will color the father's tie, red, shirt, blue-green, and pants, dark blue. Also, this Father's Day, give your father the biggest hug ever. After Father's clothes, I will color the daughter's dress pink and orange. Now, I will color the heart balloon with red color. It's time to color the badge. Dark green. Yellow. Friends, it is looking so beautiful! I am so excited! Pink! Dark green. Now I will write, "I love you, Dad," at the top of the sheet. At last, to complete our drawing, I will write, "Happy Father's Day." And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.